Hey guys, it's Melissa with Chocolate Like a Boss, and this is Christian.
Hello.
We are going to make the When Life Gives You Lemons, make something sweet, and we are going to do it on this 9 by 12 white framed board right here. So I think I like it like that better.
Yeah.
Okay. So first what we're going to do is I'm going to show you the process of fuzzing. So these are all brand new transfers. And even if they weren't, you would still want to fuzz them. I fuzz mine every time I use them. So you just peel it off. And I missed a step, so let me back up. This side is shiny and this side is not, and so you know which way to put your transfer back down so that you can reuse it. You want to take a black permanent marker. Let me just use all my hands at the moment. And we're just going to write back on it so that we know when we're putting it back on there that this is the back side and that it needs to go on this shiny side. So I've already pulled that off. I'm just going to set that off to the side. So for fuzzing, all you do, maybe in the picture, all you do is you set it down on your microfiber cloth. I have been known to use my yoga pants because I live in them. Hey, Veronica.
Hello.
We can't wait till you're here and you get to do this with us.
Yeah, and I can't wait to get my phone back so I can call Jaden.
So I'm just putting it down on this cloth a couple more times so that you can, so that it isn't so sticky. And then while I'm doing this, I'm going to let Christian fuzz our other two pieces. So then I'm going to figure out where I want to lay it on my board. Yep, just peel it off and lay it down there. And then I want to smooth it out just to make sure that the silk screen right here has no bubbles in it.
This too?
You're fuzzing it, you're just laying it down. There. Sorry, I had to write back on that. He's fuzzing our other pieces.
Hi.
Okay. So for this one, I'm going to use a lot of different colors. I'm going to start with our white, and this is our bright white paste. Just leave it on there for me, or just flip it over like that. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, I'm going to start with our bright white paste, and I'm going to, sorry. So you dip it in your chalk, and then you just go like this. Sorry, give me just a second. I've got people messaging me. So you just dip it in there.
Luft.
And I'm just making sure that I fill in all my, all my screen print. And once all my chalk is on there, I'm going to what's called scraping. And I'm going to just go back over it and scrape all the excess off. And then I'm just going to wipe it on the edge to save my paste. Okay, and that one's done. Christian, will you go over here and dip this in the water and then clean it off with this paper towel so that we have it for the green because we're done with the white.
Yep.
So now I'm going to move to my yellow. Actually, hold on just a minute because I might want to add some white accents. Or not. Okay, so now I'm going to move, and this is our Bumblebee yellow. Oh, and it's a little thick. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just add a little bit of water to it.
This is enough.
So this is how you don't, like, you can have to worry about your chalks drying out. I'm just putting a couple sprinkles. I don't know if you can see me over here or not. Just a couple sprinkles of water and stirring it with a popsicle stick. Okay. Scraping it on the edge. I can't see the comments if anybody else is commenting. Okay, so now we have our yellow.
All this just says, "Hey Christian."
Do what?
All it says is, "Hey Christian." That is just wrong.
And then I want to put a little bit of yellow on like this E and this T. So I'm going to kind of just lightly brush it over the white chalk that I've already put on there to make it kind of look like it's blending into the white. Okay, so that's done. Now I'm going to go back up here.
We know, Veronica.
Do what?
She said, "I'm still here." It tells us.
Okay.
Actually, she's actually lasted longer than anybody else.
Okay. So this part is almost done.
And then, you want me to fluff these one more time?
Nope. Okay, now I just need to scrape all my extra off and see there's quite a bit of extra on there. So this part is pretty important so that you don't go through so much paste.
Yeah, it would not last for a life.
Neither will you. Okay, so now it's done, and this part I am done with. So I'm just going to pull. Okay, and then when I'm done, I have a tray of water over here that I'm just gonna lay my transfer in so that I can reuse it. And then Christian gave me, or did my lemons, and I'm going to,
Yeah, we do it right there.
we're gonna do it right here. Okay, so I'm going to take my yellow again. It's a little hard to work at this angle.
Mm-hmm.
You sleepy?
Yeah, I'm sleepy.
Just gonna smooth it out over there.
It's my button.
Did you clean up that white one for me?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and then I'm gonna pull this up.
Mom,
There's my lemon.
that was not the brightest idea.
That's okay. And I want another lemon up here, so I'm gonna lay that transfer right back down and smooth it out. I'm gonna fire my assistant if he doesn't get out of my way.
I'm your co-owner, Mom.
Okay, co-owner, whatever. I'm gonna fire him if he doesn't get out of my way. So this you just, I mean, it's super, super easy. You just want to make sure that you cover your screen print, and you can see, I will show you real quick on the leaves before I do them, that you can see where the actual screen print is on this transfer. So it's real easy to know like where to put your paste. And then let me lay this down and move that over there because I'm done with my lemon. I'm gonna pull my lemon up. Yep, I'm done with my yellow. Let me do clean this off yet. So now I'm done with that. Where's my, okay. So here is the screen print. So you can see clearly where you want to put your things. And this should be dry enough now. Oh, no, it's not.
Uh-oh.
That's all right. I'll fix it.
Okay.
And that's the really cool thing about this is if you mess it up, you can just set it back down and redo it.
Yeah. Yeah, because
I don't know where I have this at. Oh, right here, maybe. Nope.
No, the other way.
There we go. So I stuck my finger in it before it was dry. And one thing they tell you, which I did not do, which was my own fault, was they tell you to use a blow dryer or a crafting heat gun before you try and do the layers. So I'm going to just sit here and give this a minute before it dries. But I messed it up, and I will show you how I fixed it just super fast. I stuck my finger in it, and there was a fingerprint, and I smudged it, but all I did was just go right back over it. So that's the really cool thing about this is when you do mess up, all you have to do is, it's real easy to fix pretty much anything. If it's something where I got chalk where I didn't want it to be, I would take an antibacterial wipe, or even a baby wipe works really well to clean off your board to get wherever the chalk is. So let me touch that. That should be dry enough. I'm just going to lay this one down real lightly. And I'm not going to put it all the way on there. I'm only going to do half to make it look like it's going in there. But I'm going to take the green. And I'm just going to quickly press it in there.
Aha.
Sorry, I know it's kind of hard to see where I'm working at now.
So that's for my new kitchen, right?
Absolutely, it's for your new kitchen.
Super cute, Rebecca. Rebecca's I don't know what that is. Rebecca.
I kind of messed this one up by laying it down, but I actually really kind of like it like that. Can you run upstairs and get me a Q-tip? Another thing you can do if you mess it up a little bit is just take some chalk without the thing, because I definitely just messed that up. And I'm just gonna, but it kind of has like a little vintage look to it, so I kind of really like it. But I'm going to just fill it in. I'm going from bad to worse here because it's definitely my first live and it's nerve-wracking. So what I'm going to do is, I guess, take this opportunity to show you how easy it is to clean off. So, and when we say it's semi-permanent, that's exactly what it means. This is dry, so I can run my hand across it and nothing comes up. I don't mess up anything. I can hang it on the wall and leave it there forever. Or I could take it off. If I decide that I want to use this surface for something else, or if anybody knows me, it's Christmas time and I got to change out my stuff. I change out for every holiday and everything. I'm always redecorating my house. So I can take it and wipe it all off with water, or if I wanted to make sure that it was something that was going to stay forever, I could seal it if I wanted to. It's just there's endless possibilities. Each one of these transfers are reusable, so that's nice. So if I have lemons in my kitchen, which I do, all year round, then I could redo it if I use this board, say, for something for Christmas. And I know for a fact, I just ordered some really cute 4th of July stuff today. And I know that I will be taking this board and doing something patriotic for this summer. So I messed that up. I just took it and made my own real quick. And then this one's done enough, so I can do this now. And I'm going to set that right there. Maybe, yep. This is like my hardest part right here, is trying to decide where I want to lay stuff.
I'm just over here wrapping the comments.
You're doing comments?
Yeah, liking them and stuff.
Okay.
How are we gonna show my how we wash it off and stuff?
I've got one. Is somebody asking to see that?
No.
I just washed something off of the board.
No, she's asking.
All right. And since I just did that one, I'm probably not going to keep you guys on here while it dries, but I will show you. All right. So here is our sign. Let me move my camera back so you guys can see it. I will probably go back and add a leaf to this one, but I didn't quite leave enough room. So I might do a little one. I don't know. Possibilities are endless, but here is what the sign is. It was super fast, super quick, and absolutely everybody can do this. I did one with Hannah tonight. So if she can figure it out, I'm sure anybody can. Can you move your head? So that is it. That's all we have. If you guys have any questions or comments, be sure to message me, and I will be sure to get back with you. Have a great night, guys.
Don't end it yet.
Why are we not ending it? Give me my.
I'm trying to end it right now. Stop it. Oh yeah, you better stop.